Hey everyone, back again with another must-have product that I just know you're going to love. First of all, the design, absolutely stunning. It looks and feels so premium, and the price, you won't believe it. Seriously, such an amazing deal for the quality you're getting. It's super functional too, whether you're using it at home, at work, or gifting it, it's a perfect choice. Check out the description for all the details, and if you love this kind of content, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.